our third video of the day. We have this vintage Hoover desk fan. Got it same as the Toshiba. I got this one for free. This one also works great. Besides, I cannot get the isolation screw knob off, so I can't clean out all that dust in the motor. So it's not very good in there, but anyway. Nice slow start up on it too. It's never normally that slow. It's really slow. Now it's speeding up. This is the cage rattling. Ignore that rattle. This one also pushes the ADA around a little bit. I won't be using this thing overnight, as the motor's filthy inside and I don't really want to risk that. Pretty decent fan. Let's see how many watts it is. This is what I forgot to do on all the other videos. Made by KDK. It's made by you. So yeah, that's this video. Thanks for watching.